Here's my 2005 F-250. Has a tear in the seat. I'll try to stitch it up so it doesn't get any worse. Just you can get this from Walmart. $2 for a little kit with it in it. Fishing line. And just tie a knot on it. I'm gonna try to pull this together and stitch it up. I'm gonna go in. I don't know if I'll try to go into the stitch or not. Here, probably into that stitch. I'm gonna start on the inside so that knot will catch on the back side. Sorry. So it won't pull through. Try to get in the same hole that these stitches are. It'll be harder than it looks.
Blade.
Gotta go in.
And guess what?
Back out. What's that, bud?
I lost the time blade.
No way.
I dropped it somewhere. I think in the backyard. We're not allowed to go.
You're not allowed in the back?
We're allowed to go there. I didn't drop it and now got it back up until I now found it. That's what I think happened.
You're not allowed in the backyard?
It's really tiny, so. And
Yeah.
look, I can probably move this right now and I dropped it.
Oh yeah. It'll be...
Oh no, I found it. Tiles stand out. If you find any of these, can you please help me get them?
I wouldn't
I
be.
need all 4 time blades.
I wouldn't be losing it. Or dropping it, bud.
Yeah, I need all 4 time blades. Thank you for trying to help me.
No problem.
Okay, we get to go to Walmart and here they got the Lego set. I don't think I have the revolver blade because that was really fun.
Got the what?
The revolver blade is the yellow one.
I don't know.
The revolver blade. But thank you for trying to help me.
If I find one, I'll get it.
When you find all 3 of the ones I'm making, no, I'm making. Write them down, the time blades, and write down the colors beside them I don't have.
Okay.
So I need a green one, a yellow one, and a red one.
Green, yellow,
And they
red.
called time blades.
Time blades?
Yeah. And they're from the hands of time. But thank you.
You're welcome.
Lift up.
Fist bump. Awesome. That was my little buddy. Just want me to get him a Lego Ninja. Something. I don't know what it is, but as you can see, I'm just going in and back out. I'm making sure to get enough meat here that I think it'll hold. It may not. It may rip through. I don't know. But let's go in here. where these threads go together, trying to come out one of the holes that's already there. Try to keep it pulled tight. Maybe it'll keep it from ripping any further. So when I get to the end here, I'll start the video back up, but in and out, in and out. Let me show you. It's coming right out the other hole, the existing hole that's already there. And then through the other side and pull it tight. Stand by. Here's the finished project. Yeah, look at that.
So thank you for helping me.
Oh, you're welcome. You can see the...
Hey, Connie. Everybody do the fly.
Cool. You can see the fishing line, but I'm not really worried about it. Close that up. Pretty good. Actually, don't look too bad. So I'm going to leave it. I got a little leather kit. I don't know if I can put color on it, make it look better or not, but for now, that's good enough for me.